Alright, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial of making the triangles in this activity, just in case you weren't able to read and tell what we're doing. So first, on your desk you should have a ruler, you should have a pair of scissors, and you should have a piece of paper. You and your partner will have your own ruler, you'll share scissors, and you have one piece of paper. You should also have a paper sack on your desk. Now, if you were to dump out the contents of your paper sack, you would find that you and your partner, you would have 7 straws, and then your partner would also have 7 straws. So count out 3, 6, 7 for you, 7 for your partner. Then each of you get a pipe cleaner that is 30 degrees. And then each of you get 2 pieces of string. Now, I gave you some extra string just in case your string wasn't long enough, you could tie some together. Okay, so for activity 1, they asked me to cut a pipe cleaner into 2 inches, not a pipe cleaner, a straw into 2 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches. So you're going to take your ruler and you're going to measure out on your straw 5 inches and cut that. And then again, you'd measure out 4 inches, cut that, and then measure out 2 inches. What I found was when I cut my 5-inch piece, that meant that I could still get my 2-inch piece from the same straw. So once I cut all 3 pieces into a 5-inch, a 4-inch, and a 2-inch, it asked me to string my string through it. So I'm going to take this string and stick it through all 3 of the straws. So we're doing this so that when we tie the ends together, it will make a triangle shape. So pull it together, and then you're actually going to tie the ends together to make a triangle. Okay? And so that's how activity 1 triangles work. The second time you're going to do it with your own links, and when you tie the string together, I want you to keep it tied together, and you're going to turn in that triangle. We're going to hang them from the ceiling and make the room pretty and decorative. So the second time you make this triangle, keep it tied together, and then turn it in to the substitute. Now, for activity 2, it asked me to actually cut my first triangle I made, the 4, 5, and 2, because I'm going to reuse the lengths of 4 and 5. So you would cut that string and pull off 4 and 5, and then it says to put it on the pipe cleaner, which is 30 degrees. So I'm going to take one piece and put it on the pipe cleaner, and then I'm going to take the other piece and put it on the pipe cleaner. And then it tells you to measure with the ruler to see how long the third side would need to be. So I get my ruler, I measure, and then I grab another straw, cut that piece to what it needs to be, and then I can place that on my desk like so and compare it to my partner's. So I hope that's a better explanation and you know what to do. We will talk about the explore and the wrap it all up when I come back. So I'll see y'all on Monday.